Well, here we are. We're going to try this out. This is my maiden voyage on my attempt to put up my own hay. My next door neighbor, Miss Sudie, she was kind enough to let me try to cut this field right here. Not had anything done to it, but I'm going to call it a little practice field. Everybody needs a little practice. Well, at least I do. And so I'm going to try to hold this thing. I need to get me one of them selfie stick things, but this is crazy. This old Massey Ferguson hay baler, I believe it's a Massey Ferguson, has still got this little thing right here on it. That's crazy that somebody's not lost that thing. But so I'm just undoing this thing right here. I wish I would have had a video of the fella that I got this thing from, Logan, rebuilding all this thing. But yeah, and it's heavy, but it's old. But look here, it's all rebuilt. It's all rebuilt, and honestly, I think it goes right along with our Heritage Gate Farm kind of motif, my Uncle Wayne would call it, of everything on this farm has been used or recycled in some form or fashion. And I figured up here earlier, I'm not going to act like I got this done before, on how to get this thing set. It's got all these crazy arms right over there that hits on that 3-point hitch thing, and that's how you set this set the ride height on this thing, as far as I can tell. And so I was up about right there, and that'll make it run even. The driveway here is not real level, so we're gonna pull it off in the field here, and we're gonna give it a try. Have no idea what gear to put it in, so I'm just gonna grab a second. We're gonna walk right off in this field, and hopefully that thing will follow us. All right, and then now put this thing in here. Ease out on it. Look at that, like a sewing machine. Like a sewing machine. Check it out. Old. So I'm gonna say we're gonna put it up here to start with. About, let's try 2,000. Let's try first. Let's see what we got. Don't think that's hardly up enough. Let's put it in low range, about 2. Now here we go. Look at that. So we're mowing pretty good. I'm obviously have to pay attention to what I'm doing, and I'll get back with you when we get out towards the middle. Hey, check it out. We made one round. Now we ain't gonna win no NASCAR race or nothing, but that's all right. Check it out. Little thing ain't missed a lick after I finally figured out how to get it adjusted and what kind of RPMs and speed that it likes. Don't you look at that, laid that down right there. Heck yeah. $200, I'm in. Check it out. Look at there. Look at that. Heck yeah. We're doing it. Well, this might not seem a lot to everybody, but to me, this is huge. To be able to buy a place, build a house, build the barn, put the fences up, planted the grass, and now to have traded and prayed for the equipment, to put the hay up for the horses. Again, as I said in that other my other video at the start of this thing, this is my next door neighbor's field right here. He hadn't got any, it hadn't been sprayed or fertilized or nothing. So I'm gonna call this little field right here my Sooty Praxis field. Because if you've seen any of my other videos and stuff, my motto is that even a professional didn't know what they were doing the first time. So this is the first part, this is the first step, in my opinion, to becoming a professional hay putter upper. I'm excited. Now this may take me till next Wednesday. This is Friday night, but slow and steady wins the race, even in a kid's book. Well, as usual, we've had an issue. Not bad. I caught it. The little mower, it's getting dark on me. So, and I was mowing away. I finally figured out how to keep it from getting clogged up. I'll make one of that tomorrow when I get back out here when it's more light and I'm not in a panic. Reason why I'm in a panic, I'm just mowing away along up through here, and I've messed with cars and stuff my whole life, and I thought, this thing smells like it's getting hot. And I looked down at it, and my trusty John Deere was just right next to the red. So I'm panicking, thinking, oh no, that's all I need. And so I learned something tonight. So I got up here and I get it back up here, and I'm thinking there's no way. So I raised the hood up on it, and like I said, I was in a little bit of a panic, so I already done that. So first time hay balers and mowers and everything, you better check your radiator, because that thing was absolutely plumb full of stuff. And I don't know if it was from bush hogging here the other day over here, running through there, spraying and all that stuff. But anyway, it's cleaned off there now. But that thing was absolutely covered up with dust and stuff. So I learned something. Got to check your radiator, make sure you stuff's due. Always make sure your toes clean. So anyways, like I said, it's the first time for everybody. We're learning something. We're learning something every day. So tomorrow, that thing will be ready, and I can finish cutting that over there. And I'll show you over there what I done, and maybe somebody else is trying to do like I do and doing this stuff the first time with a bunch of old stuff. And I'll show you what I learned yesterday, where I messed up, today, but where I messed up at and where I done good and what I done different. But the best thing about it is the old Massey Ferguson, which I believe that's what it is. I'm gonna find out for sure. Old sickle bar mower, done a job, never missed a lick.